Ali so bradati moški za heteroseksualne ženske bolj ali manj privlačni, pa ve dr. Niv. Nick, hi to Newcastle, England.
Hello, Slovenia.
Big question first. Do women find bearded men more attractive than shaved?
Our research suggested that females find males with beards very masculine and very dominant, but not necessarily more attractive. Women do seem to have a preference more for short-term relationships with beards in our research, but not for long-term partners. But our research was conducted 8 years ago, and I do think now that the times have changed, the culture has changed, and beardedness now is much more associated with things like creativity, intelligence, confidence, and I think that people's perceptions of men with beards has changed a lot recently.
Then could it be said that social and cultural environment is more influential as compared to physiology and evolution?
I think the two things are very closely linked. Certainly what we know about beards is that they reflect the underlying physiology of the male. So by growing a beard, you are showing that you are entering puberty and that you are masculine. And those preferences for masculinity seem to be fixed. Females like males who are masculine, but often not too masculine. And that's where culture can begin to impact upon perceptions of physiology.
Thank you for your answers and all the best.
Bye-bye.
Če vam je bilo všeč, itak da vam je bilo, potem lajkite, pa šerajte, ker če deliš, dobiš.